Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is your first time seeing me because I have a little webcam set up, but so welcome. You can see all of me. And this is the beginning of my guide to becoming a six-figure day trader series. This is part one, so it's not going to be anything technical. It's basically just going to be an overall view of trading, and this is for the person that literally is Googling or searching on YouTube how to become a day trader. This is a video you want to check out because I'm basically going to give you a quick summary between 5 and 10 minutes, basically just like how you day trade, how you get into it, and like what you need to do to get yourself ready. So let's get started. Okay, come on now. There we go. All right, so this is basically my Excel spreadsheet of the past 5 months of my trading. As you guys can tell, I am very profitable. Monthly totals on the bottom. So I'm up a lot of money, over 200 grand. I think this is right here past 5 months, 200 something grand. So I know what I'm doing. I'd like to think that I know what I'm doing. I'd like to teach you guys everything I know to become a trader like me. I have a lot of friends, a lot of family that actually ask me if they can learn. So I kind of want to create this guide, this video series. So instead of me just like telling each person, having to text them or email them my exact step process and trying to do that for them, I can just show them this guide, and it'll help a lot of you guys too. So where I wanted to start off is step one. When you want to learn something, you have to spend time actually learning. You have to spend time reading the books, watching the videos, experiencing the market. So first off, when you want to learn how to read a Japanese candlestick, you want to learn how to read a chart. This book right here, Japanese Candlestick Charting Technique book, this will show you exactly how to read a Japanese candlestick chart. One of the most important charts that you can use in day trading. It's what I use personally every day. Almost every single person I know that trades uses a Japanese candlestick. They use candlesticks. And basically, this book will go through all the chart patterns, different techniques you can use, and it'll just give you a good overview of trading if you're brand new. Second book is A Complete Guide to Volume Price Analysis by Anna Cohen. This book is great because it actually, like what it says, read the book, then you read the market. Volume controls the market. Reading this book gave me it changed my whole idea of trading because volume is so important. It's what drives prices in trading. So while I was reading this and when I was done, I basically had a whole new just idea of the market, and I was able to just execute better and be able to read charts so much better. So I highly recommend you read both of these books before getting into trading because you don't really want to go in blindsided. Never do that. Plenty of my friends think, oh, wow, Ben, you made all this money this year day trading. It doesn't seem that difficult. I'm going to go ahead, put $10,000 in and just trade. And like plenty of them, they'll lose like 40%, 50% of that money that they put in because they didn't properly learn the craft. Read the books. You can find both these books online for free, basically. Just search it. Search Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques. Search A Complete Guide to Volume Price Analysis. You'll find both of them. Next up, figure out what brokerage you want to use. Personally, I use TD Ameritrade. Webull. I've used all three of these. And I personally day trade on TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim every single day. I don't really like E-Trade. I used E-Trade for a little bit. Didn't really enjoy it that much. Webull, I'm just beginning to use it because TD Ameritrade's been having some issues. So whenever they have issues, sometimes like right at market open, they'll glitch out a little bit for like 5 minutes. I'll hop on Webull and just trade with that. So I keep both TD and Webull funded at all times. E-Trade, not so much because I don't really like the platform, but all three of these are great brokerages. And once you finish the books, this is what I'm telling you to do, and listen to me. Once you finish those two books, open up your brokerage account. Don't fund it though. Just open it up and use either three of these charting softwares to be able to watch the market. Actually, go ahead, open one up before or during your reading. And just don't fund it. That's the main rule. Do not fund one of these accounts. All you want to do is just watch. You want to experience the market and watch how things actually move real time. Highly recommend TD though. Love TD Ameritrade. Another one of my most important rules that I tell everyone is paper trade until you're consistent. I literally can't stress this enough because I know when I first started, I did not paper trade. This was years ago. I started trading about 4 years ago. And as soon as I started trading, I just put money in the market, lost all of it within 4 months. Put more money in, lost it all again. And if you paper trade, I didn't properly read the books. I didn't do all that stuff. I kind of just rushed into it because I thought it was easy money. Trading is not easy money. Once you read the books, open your brokerage account, start paper trading. Paper trading is basically using fake money. There's a lot of different softwares you can use. I know Thinkorswim, which is owned by TD Ameritrade, they have their own paper trading platform. So instead of using real money, you can use fake money. So if you lose that money, it's not going to affect you in any way. Same if you make money in that account, it's not going to be real money you can use or take out. Not even highly recommend. You have to paper trade. That is key. Paper trade for, I like to tell people, at least 3 months. And that's if you're day trading 5 days a week. I want you to day trade every day, Monday to Friday, for 3 months straight. If you're consistent, go ahead, put $500 to $1,000 in your day trading account and start trading with a cash account like that. Don't do that until you're consistent. You don't want to do that. Do not rush into this. You will lose money. This is a losing game. So once you are able to blank, you are ready to trade with real money. Once you are able to consistently be green with your own watch list that you create every morning. Once you are able to identify working strategies and able to control your emotions, you are ready to trade with real money. And until then, do not use real money. Listen to me. I keep looking at the camera. It's kind of weird. I don't know. I've never shot a webcam video. It might be weird. All right. That's basically it. Quick little summary. Part 1. Just want to give you an overall view of what I recommend and what I want all of my students to do. You are now my student. This will be a multiple part series. Not sure how many parts, but multiple parts. I will be going over literally everything, every aspect of my trading. Going over how I made over $200-some thousand within the past 5 months. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. I'm sorry if my hand keeps hitting the mic. It's literally right here. Like, mic's right here. I keep hitting it. You might be hearing stuff. But thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.